You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals -2/3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the b. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Remove the ones. And so the final result is b equals -2/3.